In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to overlay video using Canva. Whether you're working on a creative project or enhancing a presentation, this simple technique will come in handy. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to go to canva.com. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up. But if you're already a member, simply log in using the credentials of your choice. You can conveniently do this via Google, Facebook, or by entering your email address. You'll find the login button located at the upper right corner of the homepage. Once you're in, look to the top right corner again, and you'll spot the Create a Design button. Give that a click. For this demonstration, we'll be choosing the YouTube video format option, but feel free to select the format that best suits your needs if you're working on a different project. Now, with your workspace open, it'll look like a blank canvas ready for you to unfold your creativity. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand side where there's a menu bar. Click on Elements. In the search bar that appears, type Frames. Frames are an excellent tool for overlaying because they allow you to encapsulate videos within them, and they come in various shapes and styles. After browsing through the options, choose a frame that complements your design vision. Once you've found one you like, click on it to place it onto your canvas. You can move the frame around and position it exactly where you want on your video canvas, tailoring it to your aesthetic preference. Now comes the exciting part. It's time to add your video. Drag and drop your second video onto the frame you just placed. The video will automatically adjust to fit within the frame, giving it a polished, integrated appearance within the larger design. An important tip here: when overlaying videos, you'll often deal with multiple audio tracks. To maintain clarity and prevent overlapping sounds, make sure to mute the audio of one of the videos. This ensures that your final output won't have two competing soundtracks playing simultaneously, which can be distracting or even chaotic for the viewer. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to overlay videos using Canva. This technique is perfect for creating dynamic presentations, engaging social media posts, or simply adding an extra layer of creativity to your projects. Take some time to explore the different frames and video combinations to see what unique creations you can come up with. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing.